Just wanted to update you on one of my plans for tomorrow. Now, I have several stocks on my buy watch and on my buy list. You can see down here. Now, this is from last week, so this may change. But one of them is REGN, and I'll show you why. And this is the kind of analysis that goes into my selection. This is just not everything that I look at, but these are the things I do look at. So if you can see, it is very close to all-time highs. Now, this is a monthly chart. So if a stock like this will break through, it did try here. If it breaks through after a little pullback here, as you can see, the monthly volume is a lot. The blue here is green, okay? Red is red. So strong accumulation by institution. If you look on the right side here, you can see 4 of the top 30 or 50 hedge funds or mutual funds. Actually, these are mutual funds. Have ownership in this, which is good. Ownership is broadening. You can see the number of institutions continuing to grow with the pressure the drug stocks had with Trump's executive actions, and then all the discussions going on and all the rhetoric going on. So that's one side of the equation here. So that's one of the reasons I want to probably buy this tomorrow. And then when you look here, pretty strong earnings growth year over year. So EPS growth, for the way MarketSmith measures, I don't exactly know, but I do know enough to make it out. So 31% growth over the course of last 5 years on an average, which is really good. Earnings stability of 7, anything under 10 is considered really good. As you can see, quarter over quarter, sales are increasing, earnings are increasing. Year over year, very strong earnings growth. So 31% is going to go down to it's still going to continue to grow at a very healthy rate in almost close to 20%. And then when we look at the revenue, that's one thing MarketSmith does not offer, which is revenue growth year over year. So then I use E-Trade here. So as you can see, revenue is going to grow as well year over year, which is a good sign. I definitely want revenue to continue to grow. So those are the reasons that I would like to invest in this stock. Along with that, I'm sure all of you know President Trump was given the experimental cocktail from REGN, and if he's going to recover this quickly, you got to think, right, that REGN cocktail helped him, which should have a positive effect on the stock. So I'm not sure if it is going to matter tomorrow or not. But those are the reasons I would like to probably take a position in REGN. So, and as you can see, it is consolidating tightly here in this box right here. Okay, so there we go. So typically, I would like to buy it at the bottom of the box. However, with everything going on, I may initiate a position tomorrow unless it is going to blast off higher, and then I am not going to chase. So we'll see how the morning brings, but that's the reason. Again, it's a strong consolidation right under the 50. Now it is over 200, otherwise I may not consider this. So those are the reasons why I probably consider REGN. And my goal is, again, this is a trade, okay? It's not going to be a long-term investment, so I would like to probably about 15-16% gains. So this is where I would see what happens to the stock when it hits this prior high right here. So we are going to put an alert right there. So when it comes close to that is when I will make a decision if I want to continue to hold or not. Now, this can go sideways for a while, and then I may be in this stock for a while, which is fine. It's a strong company, as we saw fundamentally, and technically it's the relative strength is 84, so it's outperforming 84% of the stocks in MarketSmith database. So I definitely want this relative strength line to go up rather than going down. So hopefully this will turn around here. But that's the reason why I would probably consider, I am going to invest unless the stock really skyrockets tomorrow. So we'll see how that goes. Have a great night. Thanks.